front of us is Diamond Head, yeah. Super green right now.
Oh, that's Diamond Head. I think we're going there on Wednesday.
Today, we're setting sail with the Honolulu Snorkel Company for a 2-hour Waikiki Ocean Boat Tour along the beautiful Waikiki coastline. We'll be cruising aboard a 40-foot Corinthian catamaran, and the best part is this tour is family friendly. We booked this as a whale watching tour, but since this is nature, there's never a guarantee you'll see whales. So today, we're going to focus on the incredible coastal scenery, the beauty of the Pacific Ocean, and whatever amazing wildlife decides to make an appearance. Come join our family as we experience the beauty of Oʻahu from the water. Let's go!
Good news is there is lots of parking. Similar to other areas, what they use is there are QR codes that you have to scan and then basically pay for your spot. So I would say whatever your tour is, make sure to get there 30 minutes early because you have to try to find where the dock is. You have to figure out where you gotta go, sign some waivers. Don't pull what our family did was we got there like 2 minutes before I was about to leave. Oh, that was a close one. We just made it with 1 minute remaining. I think that's a skipper. That's the skipper.
My name's Holly. Right here we have Captain Phillip. Let's get up for Captain Phillip today. Sorry,
Captain Phillip.
For adults, tickets are $84.99. For children 2 to 13, it is $55. And for those under 2, $3 a person. However, we use Go City in order to save big.
We use a Go City all-inclusive pass for our entire trip, and we were able to save up to 50%. The pass gives you access to tons of attractions for one set price, making it easy to plan and save. Click the link below to get more information with our affiliate link.
So if you're the younger ones, you gotta wear a vest. Looking good, Rosalie, looking good.
When we're seeing them, we're typically seeing mama and calf. We did see some this morning, so keep your guys' eyes peeled. We're looking for spouts, splashes, anything in between. Our opportunities are endless today. We have many opportunities to see different types of dolphin species all around here, fish, turtles, you name it, we're looking for it. Other than that, guys, everybody on this boat does get a free drink. It is a pina colada.
Oh man, this is the good stuff. No whales so far, but
That's all right.
we got drinks.
Right now it's virgin for anybody that does not want alcohol in it, but if you do, I can definitely help you out with that. I've also got some other drinks back there for purchase as well.
We get 2 more at the luau tonight.
I know, we're gonna be falling asleep.
Edison could drive.
We're looking for some turtles, dolphins, and whales. Not guaranteed, but hopefully we'll see one.
The other whale watching boats that are all kind of doing different areas. We're all friends out here. It's a small island, you know, even smaller harbor. So we're all kind of checking different areas out right now. We did see them this morning. No one has seen them yet since this morning, but none of us had really had any whale tours. We all kind of transitioned to our snorkel tours. So.
Woohoo! Woohoo! Any whales, babe?
Not yet.
Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
Hold on, it's pretty wavy.
At least this time I get to go on a boat in Hawaii. Last time we were in Hawaii, I was pregnant with her and couldn't go on the boat.
I need a summer breeze, some fresh air to put my mind at ease. No cares. You wanna come with me and you go to our favorite tree.
Are they usually more active in like the afternoon or the mornings, or does it matter?
It all just depends. It is the very, very end of whale season right now.
Okay.
All the boats are really only running tours for probably throughout the next week. We did see them this morning, but they are definitely starting to slow down. Yeah, I'd say the middle of whale season is when they're the most active, for sure.
That's a real submarine.
Yeah, you can go on it. They got stuck at the bottom of the ocean once, a long time ago.
Okay.
Like 10 years ago.
Look at the parasailing. It has a smiley face to it. And like there's even more right there. There's another guy. Maybe they're looking for whales too. So it looks like we're looking for turtles. Anybody see a turtle? Turtle, turtle.
In front of us is Diamond Head, yeah. Super green right now.
Yeah. Oh, that's Diamond Head. I think we're going there on Wednesday.
As we cruise along the Waikiki coastline, we get an incredible view of Diamond Head, one of Hawaii's most iconic landmarks. This massive volcano crater is about 300,000 years old and covers more than 475 acres. If you're looking for another family adventure, you can hike to the summit for breathtaking views of Waikiki and the Pacific Ocean.
How are we gonna climb that, Addison? It looks pretty high.
They have a symbiotic relationship with the bristletooth triggerfish out here. They get their shells clean. As we make our way more towards the inside, keep your guys' eyes peeled. These guys do come to the surface, breathe the same air that we do, so there's good chances to see turtles.
Look at these guys. Look at this tour. My swimming skills would not do well in this tour. I would be in the bottom.
Oh, it was really nice. It was fun just to go on the boat. Well, Addison, I guess, saw a stingray, and then we all kind of saw these like little tiny flying fish. They were just like skimming the surface and jumping out of the waves. It was pretty cool.
Well, looks like there was no whales today, but it's sometimes a little unpredictable. So, but it was a nice tour, and it was really the view of the island from out there was beautiful.
As we make our way back to the harbor, I'm reminded why so many people call Hawaii paradise. Back home in the Chicago area, we don't get the views of turquoise water, tropical island, or surfers riding the waves. Even though we didn't spot any whales, this tour still earns a solid 8.6 out of 10 from our family because of the incredible scenery and relaxing ride along the Waikiki coastline. This is one of those experiences we'll never forget. To see one of the best views in Oʻahu, check out the Ocean Voyage Tour. Click the video link right here.